2019 Ford F-250 Super Duty. Head-to-head fuel efficiency, head-to-head towing, head-to-head torque. Ford F-250 Super Duty. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, traction control, remote engine start, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, floor mats, voice-activated navigation system, power windows, bed liner, compass, trip computer, rear window defroster, security system, electronic stability control, fog lights, brake assist, panic alarm. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.